students, in this video we are going to plot a continuous time signal from the equation given, and once we plot x of t we will find out even and odd part of it. So here is the signal equation given. X of t equals t for the interval 0 to 1 like this, and it is equal to 2 minus t for the interval 1 to 2. What we have to do? We have to plot x of t and even odd part of x of t. Let's plot x of t first. See the intervals. It is from 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. So basically x of t will have the span from 0 to 2. Now for 0 to 1, x of t equal to t, a simple ramp function is given. So what we will do, we will put two extreme values in this equation and we will get what the answer will finally obtain. Meaning for t equal to 0, if I put over here, I will get x equal to 0. This is the point. T equal to 1 over here, if I put, I will get x value as 1. This point. And we can see over here the slope of this particular ramp is 1, meaning I should get a straight line like this, because ultimately this is the equation of a straight line. Similar thing we can apply for the interval 1 to 2. Here it is 2 minus t. Once again the slope is 1 over here, but that is a with minus sign, so it's a negative slope. Still we will find out by putting the values of t and get an answer. So if I put t equal to 1 over here, 2 minus 1, so it's 1. So for t equal to 1, x is also 1, same point. And for t equal to 2, it is 2 minus 2, so it's 0. Somewhere here I will get a point, and being a straight line, we will get a signal like this. So x of t is a simple signal like this. And now for this x of t, we need to plot even and odd part. So first we will find out x of minus t by using the time reversal property. So by doing a time reversal, we will get a signal like this. And to get even part, we need to add x of t and x of minus t. In this case it is very simple, because for 0 to 2 here signal is exists, but for x of minus t there is 0. Same is the case for minus 2 to 0, there is 0 in x of t, but their signal exists. So I can simply add to get a new signal, which will have the span from minus 2 to 2. So x of t plus x of minus t will get like this. And to get an even part, we need to divide this signal by 2. So we will get an even part like this. Which is 1 by 2 bracket x of t plus x of minus t. Being a symmetric about the y-axis, I can say this is even part of x of t. To get the odd part, I need to subtract x of t and x of minus t. So the subtraction will be like this. So this signal we obtained is x of t minus x of minus t. And to get the odd part, we need to divide this by 2. So half x of t minus x of minus t will be the resultant signal, nothing but this. So it's a passing through origin. At the same time, the mirror image is negative of the original signal. I can say this is odd part of x of t. So here we have seen from the given equations how to plot x of t, and once that plot is ready, we can find out even and odd parts of a signal x of t. Thank you.